Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today was weekly close and we'll take a look at weekly candles for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we'll also see how market trade played today. It was a good day for option buyers actually, because there was movement, there was some momentum on the upside, and interestingly the market opened gap up. Nifty especially opened way above the level which was our what level to watch out for as a resistance because of the higher lower high lower lows formation, and the market opened above that level, and since then it went higher up, and it retested the mid of the channel and then continued its way up to new uh, all-time highs. So 21,834 was the previous all-time high, and today market touched almost 21,933, and I think we are looking at 22,000 in this coming trading sessions, in the upcoming trading sessions. For Bank Nifty, as I have been saying, it is weaker out of the two, and the Bank Nifty price action also suggests something similar. So we'll take a look at the daily chart as well as weekly chart. But before we start, a small disclaimer. All the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and are in no way meant to influence any buy or sell decision. It is in no way a recommendation for any trade or any investing decision. All the trading and investing decisions must be taken after consultation with your financial advisor, and user discretion is advised. So, currently what I'm sharing with you all right now is the spot chart for Nifty on a daily time frame, and as we can see here, uh, the market opened away with a very good gap up, and then it continued to sustain the momentum on the upside. There was some short covering move also which was seen, and because of which uh, the market showed momentum on the upside, and which was very good for the option buyers. Uh, as we can see here, this yellow trend line was the one where we were expecting the market to take resistance. However, the market opened way above it, and then from once it bounced back from 21,333 levels, 21,733 levels, it was always bulls who were in the control. Ultimately, we saw a new all-time highs today for my for Nifty, and it also managed to close about 21,900, which is a very good thing for the bulls. It seems like the sellers uh, or the bears were almost trapped today, and that's the reason why we see a good momentum on the upside. The next levels that we can see for upcoming weeks is definitely 21,900 to 22,000 levels, and then further above that. So now Nifty is trading in a no man's territory, so it's in the all-time high zone. So 21,933 may act as a resistance. However, looking at the momentum, I think the market may open gap up and may sustain about 22,000 on Monday's trading session. So if we have to trade Nifty on Monday, these are the levels that we can watch out for. That is 21,933 and 21,733. In between, the market is going to be a range bound market. And if the market crosses 21,933, then we can initiate a upside trade that is on the CE side. And if the market goes down below 21,733, I would refrain from taking a downside trade, because currently the market seems to be opening gap up on a day-to-day basis. So we have seen back-to-back two or three gap up openings. So from here, this was a gap up opening. Then I think this again was a gap up opening here, and then this was again gap up opening yesterday, and again today gap up opening. And it seems like the buyers are uh, buying at even a higher price. So that is taking the price higher. So I wouldn't want to bet against the bulls right now. The long term trend that we have seen is an uptrend. So I would be interested more towards going with a buy side trade at any support. So 21,733 on Monday will definitely act as a support. Even the levels 21,677, which is previous day close, and also levels 21,588 will act as support. Uh, for me to, as I've been saying in my previous videos, for me to be bearish on Nifty right now, it will require a week daily candle close below 21,500 levels. That is only when I can, I will, my view will be slightly bearish on Nifty. Let's take a look at the weekly chart as well, since it was a weekly close today for Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. So as we can see here, in the past week there was a strong rejection at the lower levels, and there was indecision. However, today this week we see there has been a bounce from the lower end of the channel, and we see this is a bullish hammer completely, and there is a rejection at lower levels of where buyers are jumping into buy more, right? So only a bad news or something which will make the market open gap down and uh, change the sentiment to negative is going to pull the bulls down. Otherwise, I think we are in for a bullish trend right now to continue till at least first of Feb, which is the budget day, right? So the next target for us on a weekly chart would be if the highs of this, if today's highs get crossed, then the next target that we are looking at would be around 22 244 levels, which is the top of the channel that we are currently seeing, the purple one, right? Moving to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is still showing the price action, which is lower high, lower lows, right? So this high, then this low, this high, this low, this high. So in order for Bank Nifty to change the view from bearish to bullish, it has to close uh, about 48,377 levels for me, and or else similar to what Nifty did today, right? So Nifty, let's take a look at Nifty quickly. So Nifty was also showing a similar pattern. I had talked to you about that in yesterday's video. This is high, this is low, this is high, this is low, and this was the uh, candle, which was not above this previous swing high. However, today's market open was above the swing high, and then levels 21,733 also started to act as support, which is why the view has changed from bearish to bullish for Nifty, uh, from neutral to bullish for Nifty. In case of Bank Nifty, the view is based on the price action. The view is still negative. The candle that we have today is seems to be bullish, but again, the lower and upper wicks are more or less of equal length, and that shows indecision or uh, a lack of conviction from buyers as well as sellers, and because of which we are probably not seeing the same strength in Bank Nifty as in Nifty. The past three candles, the past 3 days, however, it is higher high and higher low, but the overall price action, if you see, it is higher high, sorry, lower highs and lower lows. So unless this previous swing high, which is 48,372, does not get broken, I think I'll continue to have neutral to bearish view on Bank Nifty. So let's see how it was today for Bank Nifty. So today the Bank Nifty opened again. It opened gap up and then took support on the levels which we had mentioned on the previous video, which is 47,422 levels, roughly around those around that price. And then it made a bounce back, and then later on it consolidated some more, and it also went on with the bullish trend as such. So For on a weekly chart, what we see is on a weekly chart as well, we see there is price rejection at lower levels. However, if you see the price action as compared to what we had for Nifty, this seems to be a bullish candle, bullish hammer. This is not a bullish actually. This is hammer, but a bearish hammer. But as you can see, there is a price rejection from lower levels, and there is buying seen at lower levels, which is showing strength for the bulls. However, there is also selling pressure at higher prices, because of which we have seen rejection from the lower levels for multiple occasions. If you see this, that was 11 December, then again 18 December. Then there was this bullish candle, bullish dominance. Then again, this one was an indecision last week, but again there was a price rejection from lower levels. And again this week's candle, which is again showing a good price rejection from lower levels. However, for Bank Nifty to reach new all-time highs, it should cross the previous swing high, which is 48 377 levels. Yeah, so till then, I think the view will be more towards neutral to bearish for Bank Nifty, whereas it is now more of a bullish on Nifty for me. Uh, let's take a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones, in the morning when I had checked, it was slightly on the downside. Yeah, it was slightly on the downside, this one. But it is showing consolidation here. The moment is range bound, and doesn't seem like it is doing anything much. I think for Nifty we'll continue with the up move, whereas for Bank Nifty it will be a sideways movement. And on Monday, let's see which are the levels that we have to watch out for. So for Monday, the today's highs, which are 48,877. If the price and sustains above 48,877, then we 47, sorry, 47,877 levels, then we definitely have a scope to see 47 948,000 being tested. Whereas in case of a downside, I think it will be interesting to see if the level 47,611 breaks, and in that case we may see some downfall till 47,500 levels and 47,422 levels again being retested. So that those are the trades, those are the levels, and those are the trades that will be very much we'll be interested in. And besides that, I think more or less it's uh, a range bound movement for Bank Nifty. So that's it from my side. Do let me know in comment section how you like about what do you like about this video, and if there is anything else that you want me to cover. And also like, comment, and share, and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. And also, just before we wrap up, as always, a small disclaimer. Trading in stock markets is risky, and there is no easy way to make money. However, with persistent efforts and in the long term, with strict discipline and stop loss, I think we can make good profits. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.